What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode. My name is Andrew Noble and you are watching Hot Wheels Dad. Today's episode, we are going to be taking the Audi R8 and adding the second most expensive mod we have done to the car. We have been waiting several months, just about 3 months, for this actual mod to arrive. We ordered it back in July and it had to go through production and then be made and then shipped from overseas to the United States, go through customs, and now it is finally here. Today is the day we're going to go ahead and get it installed. This is perfect timing because tomorrow is SoCal Big Euro, also known as Audi Fest, and it's going to be the perfect time to reveal this mod that we're going to be doing on the Audi R8. So stick around for some clips of Big SoCal Euro. It's going to be super exciting and super fun to get out there with everybody. We are heading over to Garage Horch in Montclair, California. They're going to be doing the install. They helped me out through the entire process with ordering, and they're going to do the installation as well. So today we're going to get a cold start on a 2015 Audi R8 V10, and we're going to head over to Garage Horch. With just over 15,000 miles, so I put 5,000 miles on the car in the last just over a year. Now, a little bit about Garage Horch. They are a local automotive garage that started a couple of years back, pretty much kind of when the whole pandemic happened. They were all certified Audi technicians and they decided to start a garage of their own. Definitely a trusted place that I can trust to work on the Audi R8. When I get there, I'll definitely let them do a better explanation of what their business model is. Bro, where are you headed? Looks like you're headed to have a great time with the 10 up top. Man, he is ready for some overlanding for sure. I like that color too on that Jeep Gladiator. Have a good time, bro. That's right, you guys, we got a carbon fiber steering wheel for the Audi R8. The boys here at Garage Horch did an awesome job with getting this order for me and getting it squared away from Carbontastic. I'm so excited to get this installed on the Audi R8 today. Look at that carbon fiber, just look at how beautiful that is glistening in the sun. Alcantara down the side and red stitching down here. Also, we got some carbon fiber paddle shifters to set off that look, to give it that beautiful carbon fiber shine. Look at that. Sheesh, that looks beautiful. What's up? What's up? Is this it? Oh shoot, look at that. Should I do the honors? Oh, it feels good. I can already feel it. Woo. Look at that. Dang, that looks so good. Oh, I dig those. I'm so excited.
Oh, it's gonna be good.
Well, I wanted to get it on before Big Euro tomorrow. You guys gonna go?
We got a booth. So
all right, sweet.
Absolutely be there.
Cool, I'm excited. Are you gonna bring that?
We are bringing that. That'll be there as well.
Nice.
Yeah, if you want to take a look.
Yeah, I want to see it. I want to see it. All right, they're giving me exclusive access to the V12 Aventador. Oh, shoot. Dang, that's nice. I dig the yellow stitching too. It matches everything. Shoot, it looks so good. Oh my gosh. That sounds so good. Oh man, look at that. Dang, that sounds so good. Dang, it's like a fighter jet inside there. All right, we're about to get started here on removing the steering wheel. You gotta crank it a little bit, it looks like. I did look online to see kind of how you did it, but I'm scared to do it myself. The whole airbag thing scares me, you know?
Yeah.
Looks like there's some bolts in the back over there that need to come off. Exactly why I left it to the pros to do. Pop the airbag off there. Came off pretty easy, right?
Yeah,
check that out. That would have taken me like 2 hours to do. A little center bolt right there. And it comes right off. Look at that.
Go.
Check that out. Man, that was easy.
Pretty straightforward.
Check that out side by side. Carbon fiber with Alcantara versus the stock. Definitely like the carbon fiber a lot better. It's gonna look so good in there. And then the carbon fiber going in. Will you guys take it out just to make sure everything's like straight and all that? Yeah.
Make sure there's no errors, anything coming on.
Got it, got it. Sweet. And the carbon fiber really does match the interior fiber that's in there as well.
We're gonna go ahead and put all this together first. Just check everything, make sure all the buttons and stuff work. And we're gonna go ahead and replace that bolt and then button it all back up.
Awesome, cool. Get a little test on there. Perfect. All right, they're gonna take it out for a quick spin real quick to make sure everything looks good on the steering wheel. All the electronics work and everything. He said he's gonna take care of it. He's gonna drive it nice and slow. Not do any launch controls. And then he's gonna let me take this out. Okay, so we have Vince here. I know I talked a little bit about the business coming in, but I wanted him to talk a little bit. I know they've been around for just about a year or so,
Yeah,
right?
About a year now.
Cool.
It started out this year, basically Audi certified technicians, enthusiasts at that as well.
That's where I met him. I actually met them out on a cruise, which is awesome.
Just wanted to start at least service anything for enthusiasts to at least have a place kind of call their own.
Yeah.
But we wanted to level, or at least bring a level of service, at least a level of quality to aftermarket and at least independent shops that we thought that we can do. Something that maybe stands out a little bit different, a little more unique perhaps.
Nice.
But something that we want to make sure that, of course, we take a lot of care and at least time with our own car, so we want to put that in everybody else's car as well.
What like motivated you guys to start your own garage?
I think what we were doing already, kind of, we could see a limit and a cap to what we wanted to do, and there's a lot of passion, I think, among the three of us. So we just wanted to kind of push hard and figured if we make it our own, we might as well do it right.
Nice, nice. They wanted to start this because they're passionate about cars, passionate about everything European, right? Mostly European?
Yeah, mostly all European.
Okay.
I mean, JDM stuff, we have a soft spot for.
Cool, man. Well, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for everything. Here is the big reveal of the Carbontastic carbon fiber steering wheel. Oh, that is so beautiful. Look at that. Look at how the weave just matches that of the doors here. Oh, it looks so good, you guys. And it just feels so good in your hands, the way you can grip that steering wheel. The carbon fiber paddle shifters here. I really like the accents here on the side in carbon fiber as well. I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep that kind of like a titanium metal color, but I'm glad that I went with the carbon fiber because that just looks so good. I cannot wait to get this to Big Euro tomorrow and do a reveal. All right, we made it over here to Big Euro in SoCal. I'm here with Mike, My Modern Disaster.
My Modern Disaster.
On Instagram. Check it out. He's got a really fast RS3. Always beats me every time we're out on the drives. Of course, everyone always says, why do you guys got to run all the time? But you know what? It's a good time.
Draw.
Yeah, that's
it's all
right.
about
That's right.
winning and having fun, or losing. You're just having fun running.
That's right. That's what it's about for sure. All right, here we are. We are going into the inside. We're gonna check it out and see everything that they have here. Right now, we're over here in, what is it, Audi?
Audi Fest.
Audi Fest, and then we're gonna go check out and see everything else that they have. Race twin turbo R8. Come to the back over here and check out these cones. You can see that it's twin turbo up inside there, hidden back behind this bumper. There it is. There's a Terpsky right there. You got that rear splitter right there, carbon fiber. What is that, Vorsteiner? Yeah, Vorsteiner.
Her name is Melanie. She's a 2013 Audi A3. Right now she's just on lowering springs, but I have a lot of plans for her. And as you can see, I only have the SoCal Quattro banner, which has 5 HP. 5
HP.
Yep, 5 HP right there. 5 HP on the springs. You know, just getting those mods in. My friend is going to race soon, so make sure to support.
Oh, nice. When's she up?
She's up at 12:30.
12:30. This is what Big Euro is all about here. Look at, you got everything from a huge Mercedes truck. What is that, WiseTech? Back over here to the SQ5 and the VF Engineering. Here we go, VF Engineering, Huracan over here. and a GT4. I really like the color in this GT4 right here. If I were to get a Porsche, it would either be the lava orange or this one right here. There's a ton of vendors here. I know Garage Horch is here, who installed my steering wheel yesterday. Big SoCal Euros, got their merchandise over here. Never seen a lifted Audi before, huh? Look at that, that's really cool. Hey, for Aria. You wanna go see this one over here? Look at it, it has stars on it. Right there, baby, do you see it? What is that? Is that cool?
There's planets on it.
There's what?
Planets.
There's planets on it? Oh yeah, look at that. That's really cool. Thank you so much for tuning into this episode of Hot Wheels Dad. Getting the new steering wheel installed on the R8 and also Big Euro. A lot of cool stuff to see here at the show. As you can hear, the two-step contest is going on right now. If you would please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out. It helps my channel get out to more people. And if you like what you see, it would be awesome if you browse the channel. I post once a week and I do a lot of automotive stuff. Check out my social pages, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, Hot Wheels Dad. Always remember, you are the maker of your own story, so don't forget to make it legendary. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. What is it? A mosquito bite? Yeah, look at it right there. I can see it, babe. Does it itch? Yeah, poor thing.